Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be all about promoting our new, not new karaoke place, like a karaoke place which is called the Grand Karaoke. Like they only had one room earlier, they only had one space for karaoke, but then they have recently launched two more rooms to the karaoke area. So that's why they wanted to launch it through us, to us Tibetan YouTubers. So that's why, and they requested me to make this video in English, so that's why I'm speaking English in this video. I hope you guys don't mind me speaking English. Now guys, let's start the vlog, and I hope you guys go to this karaoke place and have great experience over there. So let's start the vlog. Hi everyone, so today we're gonna visit this new karaoke place which is also called the Grand Karaoke. Actually I'm in the middle of the road, so that's why I need to show you guys the way, but then I'm also a little bit nervous since I'm doing this first time, vlogging outside vlogging outside in front of people, so I'm a little nervous, so don't mind me speaking nonsense. Yeah guys, so let's start the vlog.
We have to enter from gate number 1 in Masnukatila Tibetan market, and by following the road we will reach the very famous Tibetan temple inside Masnukatila, and from there too we have to follow the narrow lane. By following the narrow lane, it will lead us to the Boba Bur's kitchen, and from there we have to take right turn.
Right next to Kesang Cafe, we have the new karaoke. Not only that, karaoke is on the 5th floor, and they also have guest house. It's also a guest house, I'm sorry, and it's called the Nagla House. So BJ is still vlogging, and we're going on the 5th floor. Let's go. So this is their reception. If you guys wonder where the reception is, it's right next to, you just have to come straight and you'll directly find the reception. If you're ever visiting Masnukatila and you guys want to book a room, you can definitely come here and book a room for yourself. So first let's visit the karaoke and let's see how is it. So the entrance is quite cute. This butterfly, I don't know, what do we call it? Butterfly light, I don't know. And then the entrance is here.
So the entrance of this karaoke place is quite cool, and I kind of like the vibe of this karaoke place.
So guys, that's it as of the video, and as you guys can see, like the karaoke place has 4 karaoke rooms and each room has its own theme. For example, they had this red zone, pink zone, and they also had, sorry I forgot some of the names, but still, and my favorite one was the space zone. I don't know, I really liked the theme, and each room has its own vibe. You guys should definitely take your friends and family and enjoy. Not only that, but also for like the price and everything, you can contact their Instagram. I've mentioned their Instagram in the starting of my video. So yeah, you guys can definitely go there and have like have your best experience. I'm sure that you guys won't regret spending a penny over that place. So yeah guys, that's it as of my video, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So bye guys, good night.